Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Lisa, Best Life Lee. Well, the mixologist is in the house. Today I'm going to be whipping up 3 versions of a Winter Cosmo, hopefully to give you some inspiration for your New Year's Eve. And these are very simple. I'm going to be showing you how I whip up some simple syrups, 2 different kinds. One regular simple syrup, nothing to it, and 2 others that have some flavor infused into them. So I am setting my New Year's Eve table. I'll just show you a brief view of what that's going to look like, and then we'll get right into the drinks. So if you're interested in some mixology for your New Year's Eve, then I hope that you will keep on watching. I wish you could smell it in here. That orange simple syrup smells divine. I am waiting now. I just took them off the heat. The 2 simple syrups. One is an orange simple syrup and the other one is a rosemary simple syrup. So I'm going to be mixing those 2 simple syrups into 2 of the Winter Cosmos that I'm going to be making. So they have to cool, come to room temperature, and leave them out for a little while, and then I'll put them in the fridge so that it can get nice and cool. I am going to strain them into whatever vessel I put them in. So when I come back, I will be mixing up the drinks. All right, the time has come. I'm going to be mixing up my 3 Winter Cosmos, and I'm going to be using some Cranberry Vodka, and this is a Nantucket Cranberry Vodka, and I'm also going to be using some Triple Sec, which is an orange liqueur. You can use Grand Marnier, you can use Cointreau, it's any kind of orange flavored liqueur. This Triple Sec happens to be the least expensive of the 3, so that's what I picked up. And then the last ingredient for liquor is this elderflower liqueur. Now I picked up the Saint Elder. You can get Saint Germain, but this Saint Elder was $20 versus, like, I don't know, $32 or $34 for the Saint Germain. So I went with the Saint Elder, just the same thing. So I'm gonna make 3 of them. I'm gonna make a white Winter Cosmo. I'm going to make a Cranberry Orange Cosmo, and I'm going to make a Winter Cosmopolitan, which the Winter Cosmopolitan is going to have a cranberry apple juice and rosemary simple syrup. So that's going to be different. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to mix up each one, and then we're going to do a taste test. Me and Bob are going to do a taste test. Now, he is being a good sport for me today because he is not someone who drinks. So he's hopefully going to enjoy these 3 drinks. So I'm going to make them one at a time. We're going to give it a taste test and let you know how they come out. I'm going to be making some sugar cranberries to just put over the top of our drinks. I have some frozen cranberries. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to take a little bit of my regular simple syrup. No on this. And I'm just going to kind of put some in my plate here. And I'm just going to sort of get the cranberries coated with the simple syrup, just so they will have something to adhere the sugar. And then I'm going to take my sugar and I'm just going to kind of roll them in the sugar, make them look like they've been in the snow. All right, so the first one I'm going to do is I'm going to do the Winter Cosmo. I like to just eyeball the ingredients. That's why when we went to Ohio, they called me a mixologist because I have some recipes here, but I'm gonna kind of be doing my own thing. So we're gonna put ice in our shaker first. Okay, so I got my rosemary simple syrup. All right, so I'm just gonna take, I can smell it already. So I'm just gonna take an ounce of this, so that's not much. An ounce of that, and then we got 3 ounces of our vodka. So 1 part of the simple syrup to 3 parts vodka. Okay. And then we're gonna put cranberry apple juice. And it's gonna be 2 ounces of cran apple. Splash of lime juice. I'm just gonna give it a squeeze of lime juice in there. And now I'm gonna shake it up in my cocktail shaker. And it's gonna be nice and cold. I'm gonna put my frosted cranberries on at top of the glass. Like that, babe. All right, and now I'm gonna strain it into my glasses. Looks pretty. All right, now we're gonna give that a taste. All right, now this one is the Winter Cosmopolitan. This has the rosemary. We're supposed to put sprigs of rosemary in here, but I'm not doing it. You could also rim your glass with sugar, but we're not doing that either.
Happy and healthy New Year to everybody.
Happy New Year, baby.
You too, baby. That's good. From a non-drinker perspective, very, very good.
Ooh, yeah.
Very tasty.
You can taste the rosemary. It gives it a little bit of a kick. Huh?
So we're talking about kick, baby.
Ooh, yeah.
Yeah.
So you see it's got like a little bit of a green rosemary taste to it.
Yes, I do see it has a green rosemary taste to it, yes.
You like it?
It was delicious.
All right, you want to try another one?
Sure.
All right. Careful, don't poke your eye out. Are you serious?
No, that is good. It is good.
It's got that little kick to it.
It's very good. It does have a kick.
All right, so now I'm going to make the white Winter Cosmo. All right, so I'm putting my ice in my shaker. All right, and then so now this is going to take 1.5 ounces of vodka. And then we're going to put 3/4 of an ounce of, it calls for Cointreau. We're going to use the triple sec, same thing. And then we're going to do, it says a tablespoon of this elderflower. And then we're going to do a splash of lime juice. Splash of lime juice and half an ounce of the simple syrup. Okay, now I'm gonna give it a shake. Oh, and 1.5 ounces of white cranberry juice. That was almost all booze. All right. Just like you see on bar recipes. We're gonna put these little things on again, just to give it
The garnishes.
the garnish, the look.
It's all about presentation, folks.
Oh boy,
All about presentation.
that's right. These are pretty, huh? All right, let's. Ooh.
That's better than the last one.
This one's a little sweeter.
It is sweeter.
You can taste a little bit of the.
I like that. It's a little sweeter.
Like this one?
Yeah.
This one's really good. The Winter Cosmo. This is really good. You're gonna get drunk.
You know what? I can already. You know.
You can already feel it.
Oh yeah, because I don't drink. So.
That's it. You'll be out like a light in no time.
Toasted, baby.
This one is
So
good.
to my fans out there in the entertainment world, you'll have me of sound mind for a little while longer. But if I keep sipping here,
He's got one more.
you know,
You got a cranberry orange one now to try.
we'll see if we can make it through the cranberry orange portion of this show. If not,
This is so good. If not, I'll be tasting the next one by myself.
yeah.
All right, so the last one is going to have vodka, triple sec, cranberry juice, and this orange simple syrup that I made this afternoon. So we're gonna get the ice in our. All right, so this is going to be 2 ounces of vodka. Do it like I see them do it on Bar Rescue. 1 ounce of
And
triple sec.
I'll drink it like they drink it at Bar Rescue.
1 ounce of triple sec. And then we're gonna put our cranberry juice. And then we're gonna put our orange simple syrup. And that calls for half an ounce. Actually 1 ounce. All right. And I'm not gonna do the, no. See, you give him a little bit and he's going bananas. All right. I'm not gonna put the cranberry things on the top here.
Why?
Just because they kind of got looking a little peaked.
Okay.
You could put it, you could do a sugared rim. All right. Here we go. Ooh, this one looks like a little creamsicle. Ooh, this has a pretty color.
Yeah. Ooh, real sweet.
Wicked sweet.
Yeah.
Good though, huh?
They're all good. I don't know. My
The
taste,
second one?
my taste for liquor. It's hard for me to judge because I don't drink liquor. But
I would say that the Winter Cosmo is my favorite. The second one.
yeah, this one's.
This one's real sweet.
This might be number 2 though.
Yeah. You like this one better than the one infused with rosemary? I think the one with rosemary would be really good. Uh-oh. What are you doing? Are you okay?
Oh yeah, I'm fine. That's like about 3 shots I just had. For a guy who probably has had 3 shots his whole life. Yeah.
Doing good?
Yeah.
All right, well, Happy New Year, baby.
Happy New Year, baby.
End this
Folks,
video.
good to see you. Maybe we'll see you more in 2022.
Looking forward to it.
Yeah, if you haven't signed up or hit that subscribe button, do it now. We need more people.
Okay.
And hit that like button.
Happy New Year. I'm not going to ask you to subscribe because my husband already did that. So thanks so much for being here and for hanging out with us for a little while. I enjoy making these videos, and I hope that you enjoy them as much as I enjoy making them for you. So I'll see you in 2022. Happy New Year. You guys are the best. Cheers.